Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my office. My name is Marek. In this episode I will create fantastic composition of pasta, shrimps and leafy greens. I know, for some of you it may sound little like a fusion cuisine, for some of you even like a confusion cuisine. But the most important thing is it's going to be delicious cuisine. Okay, but first, as usual, allow me to introduce all ingredients that we need to make this extremely delicious dish. First step, pappardelle is going to dive into a boiling salty water. Look at these beautiful baby zucchinis. I have to slice them really thinly. Extra virgin olive oil goes on the pan. Shrimps goes on. Cream goes on, 18%. Huge clove of garlic, like this. Pappardelle is landing on the pan. Now I can serve this dish. Amigos, extremely delicious pappardelle with shrimps and leafy greens is landing on the table. Bon appetit!